Hello students, today we are moving to chapter number 4, that is latest trends in banking. So in this first in your syllabus is RTGS and NEFT. So we will see both. So what is RTGS? RTGS short for real time gross settlement, and RTGS means at the real time any bank can transfer money to any branch of any bank through central bank. So it is called real time since after sending the money, the branch receives it immediately, and it is called gross because all the transactions are handled and settled individually and not bunched or grouped together. That happens in case of NEFT. So that is called real time gross settlement. In simple words, I can say that if any customer in any branch wants to transfer money to any other customer of any branch of any bank, he can do it through RTGS. A form has to be filled up for transferring through RTGS, and the bank and the customer, from both permission, it can be done. We can see some features like real time gross settlement is continuously done, and settlements are done by interbank payment on an individual basis across the books of a central bank. That means through central bank, like our central bank is Reserve Bank of India. So through Reserve Bank of India, in their knowledge, all the transactions are done, and it is done for large value interbank transfers, and it reduces the risk of huge payments across financial institutions also, like in 1000 crores, 100 crores, all are done through RTGS. Let's see now what is NEFT. So NEFT stands for National Electronic Fund Transfer. It is a nationwide payment system that allows the transfer of funds from one bank's account to another. With an increased focus on online banking, NEFT has become one of the most popular ways of transferring funds. Sometimes it is done through checks, and sometimes it can be directly transferred. The money can be directly transferred to another bank's account without even visiting the branch. So, in older times, and now also a form is filled up for NEFT, and along with that, a check is attached, and all the details of the receiving member is written in the form, and the check is used for debiting the amount from the customer who is sending the money. Main benefits, we can see that NEFT branch can be found out on RBI's website. We can find whether our nearest branch is there in the list of NEFT enabled branches or not. The sender and receiver both branch should have NEFT enabled services, and NEFT transactions are done in batches. When initially it was started in 2005, some lesser batches were there, but now it's 48 on half an hour basis. 48 transactions are made daily, and on half an hour batches are settled to, of NEFT. So it is a batch based system in which all some accumulated NEFT forms are processed simultaneously in batches. So this is basically NEFT. So thanks. In next class we will go to the next topic. Thank you very much.